This is BBC One. And we have an announcement. During Manchester United vs Coventry City, a Coventry City fan throws a bomb at one of the Man United players. The match was called off after the bomb explosion. But one player was injured and it was Camavinga. But Camavinga is alive and well but be out for 2 weeks due to a hip injury. Camavinga left Real Madrid in the summer to join Manchester United for just £75 million. So Manchester United vs Coventry City will be rebooked in New York next week on the 26th of October, 2026 on Monday due to Coventry City ground being fixed that will take till April 2027. But the Coventry City fan has been arrested for 6 to 7 years. So normal programming will now resume.